How to cancel Remitly transaction. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can cancel your Remitly transaction, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to cancel your Remitly transaction, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to just launch the Remitly application here. Once you launch a Remitly app, let's say that you've made a specific transaction, but it also really depends, because if you've made a transaction and the money has already been sent to the other person, then in that case you will not be able to cancel that transaction because Remitly might not have access to the other account. So in this case what you can do is, if the transaction is still in progress, you can basically just try to cancel that transaction instead. So when you just launch the Remitly app, you'll find the transaction or the transfers option over here, where you'll be able to see the transfers that you're making. In my case I've not made it, so you're not being able to see it. So if you have made any sort of transfers, you'll be able to find those details, and as a result you'll also be able to go ahead and then cancel them accordingly. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically cancel your Remitly transaction. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.